Yo, what is up, everybody? Long time no talk. It's been a minute since I released a video. So, actually, I think the last video we did was basically, what was it? Cleaning up the valve cover part 1. Well, I got some news for you. We're about to do part 2. Let's get it! Alright, okay, so we got a Dremel right here. Dremel bite. Hello. And we got this guy right here, the valve cover. On top of that, we also have some polish. I don't know about like the whole brand stuff, so we'll cover that right there. Yeah, some polish, cleans, brass, copper, stainless, chrome, aluminium, pewter, bronze, everything, bro. So we're chilling, and yeah, we're just gonna get to it. We're also gonna use a drill. We have like a polishing head for the drill too, so we got the drill on standby too. Yeah, it's gonna be really shiny, so looking forward to it. Let's get to it. Alright, so guys, basically what we did is I unboxed this, and I'm gonna be quite honest with you, I don't know how it works. It came with a bunch of attachments. I guess we're just gonna find out how, how it can make stuff work as we go, because honestly, I know the attachment I need to get rid of all that gala stuff is, I think, this one right here. But like stuff like this, I'm not too sure what to do with it, but I think I'll learn as we go on if I even need that stuff. But yeah, so let's get to it. All right, so now that I basically figured out the Dremel, this basically, as you keep going a higher number right there, see that higher number, that's the faster it goes. So I don't know what speed we're going to be using. I guess we'll just see. But yeah, so the whole plan is Dremel out basically the little hard to reach spots, get out all the tiny cracks and whatnot, and yeah, basically removed any like hard dirt and whatnot. And then after that, once it's all clean and flush and clean again, that's when we're gonna basically use the polisher right there on the drill. And then yeah, so let's get to it. So, after using the Dremel for a couple of minutes, I noticed that, well, it is cleaning it. However, I also noticed that it's also getting a couple of scratches. So I feel that after doing it, if we buff it out, those scratches should go away. But yeah, overall, it looks pretty clean. I mean, it looks pretty clean. But again, we got scratches like right there that happened because of Dremel. So I think what we're gonna have to do is just use this for the out of reach places, then after that buff it out, and it should be good. But I was watching a video on how to do this sort of stuff. Basically, what I'm gonna first do is put some WD-40 on it, and then get the hard to reach spots, i.e. gala out, get the gala out, and then yeah. But I think after that we can easily get the scratches out. So I think we're chilling. Let's keep going. So a quick update on this stuff. So it's working pretty nicely, but I noticed that the head is basically obliterated, and I'm gonna have to go get more. So we're gonna take a bit break so I can go to the store and get a couple more heads. I'm gonna get a bunch of them because after I'm done with this, I'm probably going to use that on this chrome. I think I can definitely get out some rust with it. So I'm gonna get a bunch of heads. They're not too expensive. And then yeah, so my plan is, after this is done, probably sand it down a bit more. I have some experience with sanding. So after I'm done using Dremel bite, we're gonna sand it down, and then make sure it's all clean, and then we're gonna buff it up. It's gonna look nice. after about, I'd say 3 hours and 4 of these things, these little heads, actually 5 of them, because you know we basically finished this one too. But after 4 hours, I think is what I said, 4 hours or whatever, and 5 of those things, yeah, we're finally done with this. So overall, a lot cleaner. What we're gonna do now is wash it and then see how it looks. If I still see some black stuff, we'll go back to this step, because you know I do have more heads. But basically the whole plan is, if there aren't, you know, if it's clean after I wash it, then I'm gonna wet sand it and then buff it out, and it should be nice. I got a little trick on trying to make these letters stand out as compared to everything else, so we'll see if that works. But yeah, so next step is to wash it off and dry it off and then see how it looks. So after washing and drying, I noticed that it's not quite where I want it to be yet to get on to next step. So as you can see, there's still some gala stuff around here, around there, over there. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going on with the Dremel until, you know, we can get a good amount of it gone. Then on to sanding. But yeah, I don't think we're there yet. I don't think we're there yet. But yeah, we're getting some nice progress. It overall is a lot shinier than before, but we can be better. Let's keep going. So I used Dremel pipe a little bit more, and I think I'm happy with where I am right now. Next step is obviously to just wet sand it and then see what happens. But yeah, overall pretty happy with where we are right now. My thoughts are that after we're done wet sanding and then buffing, polishing everything, if we still don't like it, then, you know, redo these steps starting from Dremel, and then we'll see where we are. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with where we're at, and let's just keep going. Next step is wet sand. Now, as you can see, we're back at the wet sand station. You know, I know you guys have missed this part because this is all I've been doing. This is everything I've been doing. So we're back to this. But again, since I know that, you know, I've been doing this too much, you guys have already seen this, I'm not even gonna videotape any of this. You already know how it is. You know, just dip it, sand, that's it. But yeah, so we're just gonna skip this part of the video. I mean, we're not gonna videotape this part, and then you guys will see how it looks at the end of this. So we have just finished, well, you know, wet sanding it, and honestly, I'm not quite sure whether or not I'm happy with the results. You know, I don't know if we really even did anything. It kind of looks the same to me, and it's kind of sad. But I guess next step is to basically just buff it out and see what we can do. We're obviously gonna use this thing right here, this polish, and we'll just see if it looks nice at the end. If not, I guess we'll just keep going with the Dremel and just see where it goes. But yeah, I don't know if I'm happy or not with it, but I guess we'll see. On to polish. So we got our polish, we got our polished thingy thing, and we got our drill. Basically, this is my first time doing this, so basically you and I are gonna experience this firsthand together. So not quite sure how this is gonna work, but hoping for the best. It's pretty self-explanatory on how to use it. We're just gonna see how the results are, so let's get to it. So I think that's a wrap on this video. Overall, not too happy with what I did get. I was hoping for more of a shine, but more of a chrome look, if you may, but I feel like we didn't really get that. And as well as that, I feel like it's not quite even from places. There is a bit of a shine, but not as big as I would like it to be. Overall, I'm just probably gonna keep experimenting on it. We'll see what happens. And yeah, I don't think I will have a valve cover part 3 just because it would basically be me doing the exact same thing, just trying to make it shinier and whatnot. I'll just keep working on it on my own and give you guys an update maybe on the next video or something. But yeah, so I actually did learn quite a bit though. So it didn't all go to waste. So if you have any questions on how to work a Dremel, how to work a buffer in a drill, how to work wet sand, just let me know. Comment down below if you have any questions. If I didn't make what I said clear, put down if you have any confusions in the comments, and I'll make sure to clarify what all went down. As well as that, just comment down below if you think that this looks good. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm a bit critical on myself. One thing about myself is that I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to things like this. So especially if it's shining something, I make sure to keep it going until the shine is there. And I don't think I really produced that quality that I've wanted. I want it to be like a mirror, and I don't think I got that. Maybe it's the buffer, I don't know. But let me know if you think it's good. I'll probably keep working on it, but maybe a different person's opinion might change my view a bit. As well as that, I just want to say, like, if you're ever working on a Dremel and using these brushes, these steel brushes on whatnot on the Dremel as an attachment, just wear some protective gear. Like, honestly, I got a lot of like parts of the brush in my eye at first, and it hurts like crazy. So I ended up just putting on goggles, because I did have goggles, and that helped. But as well as that, it gets stuck in your shirt and pants and skin. So be careful, because I mean, if you plan on doing something like this, just be careful. I mean, I still have parts of this brush like in my shirt, and I keep finding it, and it hurts. It hurts a lot. It's probably not gonna go away anytime soon. I'm gonna have to throw this in the laundry. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so if you plan on using something like that, just take some precautions, because I care about you and your health. And yeah, you mean a lot to me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions.